And then please introduce yourself.
Yeah, my name is Brett Hornung and I'm from Hong Kong.
Thank you.
I'm Shayan. I'm also from Hong Kong.
I'm Thomas. I'm also from Hong Kong.
I'm Charles. I'm from Hong Kong.
Wow, nice to meet you guys.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
I am B from Ulaanbaatar, Mongolia, yes. And then how you choose Mongolia on this trip, please?
Yeah, so I've always been infatuated with history and specifically Genghis Khan. Since we live in Asia, once the borders started to open up, we wanted to come and kind of see the culture, see the history, see how the country's evolved. And yeah, happy to be here. Thanks for having us. Yeah.
Wow, very big wish, yes.
Yeah.
Yes. I was just following Brett.
Good, yes.
Um,
Because you are very close friends.
Yes.
yeah, so basically, of course, I mean, I wouldn't be here if Brett would haven't organized the whole trip. But I'm quite happy being here, and the reason why I'm actually really looking forward to go to Mongolia was the whole countryside, seeing the whole countryside, the the steppes, and yeah, so it's really impressive. I'm very happy being here, and thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Yeah, kind of similar on my end. I probably wouldn't be here without Brett, but I do have also a good appreciation for Mongolian history, the Khans. So it's cool to see it in person, the big statue, the big monuments. Tomorrow I'm excited for our trip out to see the big statue and maybe ride a horse if I'm feeling very ambitious. But just to learn about a new country and a new culture.
Wow, thank you. And then I hope, yes, you already started to discover Mongolian culture. From city center, from airport, and then from the wind, and also including my family's this experience. You choose that, and thank you. And then my very final question is, do you have a question to our Mongolians? What do you want to ask?
Thomas, you first?
I can go first.
Yeah.
Yes.
Wait, I'm going to think about this.
Good. No problem.
What would you miss the most if you would leave Mongolia?
Wow, that's such a good one.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Did your brain turn on all of a sudden?
Oh yeah. Oh, it's out again.
Okay, fine. What do Mongolians think of tourists and foreigners?
Wow. Thank you. Thank you.
What is your favorite cuisine that is not Mongolian?
Not Mongolian.
That's not Mongolian. What's your favorite cuisine that's not Mongolian?
Wow. Wow. Thank you.
I guess I see a lot of construction. What's the plan for the next 10, 20 years in Ulaanbaatar? Is it hoping to become the next big Asian hub, or is it going to stick more to its traditional roots?
Wow. Thank you. I very appreciate our this moment, and we are making this very good short video to keep our this moment and memory. And then answers can be written on the comment
Yes.
from another Mongolian.
Yes.
And me.
Hopefully.
Yes.
Yes.
And then have a nice day in Mongolia.
Thank you.
And then see you again.
Thanks a lot.
Absolutely. Thank you so much.
My friend, you are working very busy, and then have a.
What's going on?
We used to write books all
Yes.
Wave goodbye.
Thank you.